Oh no, what will we do?
We have to replace the window before we get in big trouble.
What did you do to my window? It's custom made. You better find one exactly like that.
Did this happen to you?
Well, lucky for you, I've got a solution. Let's take a look at the windows at Vywinco.
With Vywinco windows, this will never happen again. See? Not only that, but they are also custom. So you can have almost any size or shaped window. But wait, there's even more! Not just the products at Vywinco are cool, but it's the community too.
We are a family-owned company, and we really care about our employees and invest in their growth. So we're always looking to help them reach the next level.
Everyone's supportive of each other. I know that's, jobs can get very stressful, but if you have people who are friendly with you and you have a good team around you, it makes the job a lot easier.
So the other cool thing about our impact windows, if let's say you're a kid in your backyard and you're throwing a baseball, it won't go through.
To make these windows, they start with the large glass sheets, which are cut down to the size of the window requested. The low E coating is then edge deleted in preparation for the insulated glass unit spacer. One glass piece is sent through the tempering furnace to heat strengthen it. The other glass piece goes through the clean room to add an interlayer before entering the lamination line to make the impact-resistant glass. Once the glass is ready, it is loaded onto an automated insulated glass line where it is turned into an insulated glass unit and gas is added for enhanced energy efficiency. The edges are heated to seal the unit and trap the gas inside. Then the glass is sent to the vinyl shop to be installed into a window. The vinyl is cut to size and welded together to create frames. Finally, the window is installed in the frame. Next, they are cleaned, packaged, and shipped out on Vywinco's fleet of trucks to be delivered to the customers. Call 610-286-8884 to get your custom impact-resistant windows now!